Welcome to this quick tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to make our desktop icons larger. Now, I've had many people ask me this question, and it's really simple to do. Now, what I mean by making our desktop icons larger is these icons that are here on my desktop, we want to make them bigger. So to do that, it is very easy to do. So what we're going to do is we're going to come over here to the right side where it's clear on our screen, and we're going to go ahead and right click on our mouse, or if you're using a trackpad, again, we're going to right click, we're going to select view, and you can see here I have different options. I have my large icons, medium icons, and small icons. So I have it set to my medium icon. So I'm going to go ahead and set it to my large, and then you'll see it's made my desktop icons larger. So as you can see, it's very easy to change the desktop icons size. So if we want to make it smaller or larger, again, we'll just go over it really quickly. We're going to come over onto this area of our desktop that's clear, that's empty, doesn't have anything on there. And we're going to, again, we're going to right click our mouse or our trackpad. We're going to select view, and we're going to hover over which one we want, large, medium, or small. So I'm going to switch mine to medium, and it drops it down to the medium view. So as you can see, it's very simple to change our desktop icons. Talk to you soon.